G'day everyone and welcome back to Trafoodle. Today we're diving into the world of travel hacks, those little nuggets of wisdom that can save you time, money and stress on your next trip. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to get your wings, these 5 simple tips are sure to make your journey smoother. Let's get cracking. First up, let's talk about Google Maps. What happens when you're in a foreign country with limited data or no internet connection? Fear not, because Google Maps has a secret weapon: offline maps. Just search for a city within the Google Maps app, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Download Offline Map. It's like having a personal tour guide in your pocket, even when you're off the grid. No more frantic searching for Wi-Fi or racking up roaming charges. So, before your next trip, do yourself a favour and tap into the power of offline maps. Your future self will thank you. Now, on to our next travel hack. Alright, let's talk flights. If you've ever felt like flight prices are playing tricks on you, you're not alone. Ever notice how flight prices seem to increase the more you search for them? It can be incredibly frustrating. That's because airlines use cookies to track your browsing history and adjust prices accordingly. These cookies remember your searches and can cause prices to rise. One way to outsmart these digital gremlins is by using incognito mode or a private browsing window. This mode hides your search history. This prevents websites from tracking your activity, meaning you'll see the real deal when it comes to flight prices. No more inflated costs. Booking your flights on the right day of the week can also make a big difference. Timing is everything in the world of travel deals. Studies have shown that Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to offer the most competitive prices. These midweek days are often the sweet spot for deals. So next time you're planning a trip, remember to use incognito mode and try to book your flights midweek. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot. Your wallet will thank you. Saving money on flights means more to spend on your actual trip. Now on to the next tip, which is all about packing smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. Let's talk about packing. It can be a daunting task, but with the right approach, it becomes a breeze. I used to pack my entire life into a suitcase, only to end up lugging around a heavy monster and paying exorbitant baggage fees. It was exhausting and frustrating. But over the years, I've learned the art of packing light. It's all about being smart and efficient with your choices. The key is to be strategic and pack only the essentials. Think about what you truly need and leave the rest behind. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This way, you can maximize your wardrobe without overpacking. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. This technique is a game changer for efficient packing. Utilize spaces inside shoes and hats for smaller items like socks and underwear. Every bit of space counts. Opt for travel-sized containers or solid toiletries like shampoo and conditioner bars. They're compact and convenient. The benefits of packing light are endless. You'll feel more relaxed and less burdened by your luggage. You'll breeze through airports, avoid checked baggage fees, and have more freedom to move around once you reach your destination. It's a liberating experience. Next up, we're going digital with a simple hack that could save you a major headache down the line. Stay tuned for more tips. Picture this. You've lost your passport. It's a traveler's worst nightmare, but there's a simple solution. Digital backups. Before you leave home, take clear photos of all your important documents. Store these photos securely in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox, so you can access them from anywhere in the world. This simple step can save you countless hours of stress and hassle if the unexpected happens. So, before you jet off on your next adventure, remember to give your passport a digital bodyguard. You won't regret it. Now, for our final hack, we're going to delve into the world of VPNs and how they can unlock even more travel savings. For our final hack, let's talk about a VPN, or virtual private network. This tool is often overlooked but can be incredibly powerful for travelers looking to save money and stay secure online. A VPN is like a digital disguise for your computer or phone, masking your real location and making it appear as if you're browsing from somewhere else. This can be particularly useful when you're trying to access region-specific deals or content. This is useful for travel because it can help you outsmart airline and hotel booking sites that track your every move and adjust prices. By changing your virtual location, you can often find better deals that are not available in your actual location. For example, you could connect to a server in a country where prices for your desired destination are generally lower, potentially saving you a significant chunk of change. This trick can be especially handy during peak travel seasons when prices tend to skyrocket. Plus, using a VPN adds an extra layer of security to your online activity, especially when you're connected to public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi can be a hotspot for hackers, and a VPN helps keep your personal information safe. So if you're serious about saving money on travel, I highly recommend giving a VPN a try. Not only will it help you find better deals, but it will also provide peace of mind knowing your data is secure. And there you have it. 5 simple but effective travel hacks to make your next adventure smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Happy travels! Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour of travel hacks. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to put them into practice on your next adventure. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way in making your trip smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world like a pro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Trafoodle for more travel hacks and tips. See you in the next video. Cheers, mates!